Good afternoon. Welcome to Healthy Pharmacy.
Good afternoon.
My name is Kania and I am the pharmacist on duty today. May I have your name, please?
My name is Putra Prakash.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Prakash. How can I help you today?
I had a cough, runny nose, and a sore throat for the last 2 days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me ask you a few questions first. Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little, around 38 degrees Celsius.
Are you coughing up mucus or is it a dry cough?
It's a dry cough.
Have you taken any medicine for it?
No, not yet.
Do you have any allergies to medicines?
No.
Okay, Mr. Prakash, thank you for the information. Based on your symptoms, I recommend Obehacombid dry cough syrup to relieve your dry cough and help reduce your sore throat. Mr. Prakash, let me explain how to use it. The dosage form is syrups. The dosage is 10 ml. You should take 10 ml 3 times a day. Take it after meals using the measuring cup provided. Make sure you shake the bottle well before each use. Do not exceed the recommended dosage. Avoid drinking alcohol while taking this medicine because it may cause throat sinus. Possible side effects include throat sinus, dry mouth, or mild dizziness. Okay, if you forget a dose, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it is almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose. Do not take 2 doses at the same time. If your cough lasts for more than 1 week, get worse, or you develop a high fever or difficulty breathing, please consult a doctor immediately. Store the medicine at room temperature, away from direct sunlight, and out of the reach of children. Okay, to help you recover faster, drink plenty of warm water, get enough rest, and eat nutritious food.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Prakash, before you go, could you please repeat how you will take the medicine?
Yes, I will take 10 ml 3 times a day after meals. I will shake the bottle before using it. I will not take more than the recommended dose. If I forget a dose, I won't take a double dose. If my symptoms continue for more than 1 week, I will see a doctor.
Excellent. Do you have any question?
No, I understand.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon. Thank you for coming to Healthy Pharmacies. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day too.